Hello teacher, my full name is Châu Thanh Phương. Right, eating you. I will read test 3. Test 3. Part 1. 1. Unit. Uniform. Unicorn. Unicycle. 2. Lay. Must. Get. Has. 3. B. 3. Tips. C. 4. Run. Soon. Fun. Burn. But you. 1. We had red fallen. We had red fallen. 2. What a lovely cat. What a lovely cock. 3. It's hot weather. It's hot weather. That's all. Thank you and goodbye, teacher.